In the golden era of great naval architecture, the work of Payne was comparable to William Fife and G.L. Watson. Javelin is a fine example of the elegant, fast lines of that era. At 73 foot on deck and with her divided catch rig, Javelin can indeed be easily sailed for a vintage yacht of this size. John Leather, naval architect and writer, noted in his books how pleased owners and crews were to be sailing such seaworthy yachts, often with catch or yaw rigs designed for easy handling. Perfectly restored in 2006, she is hard to tell apart from the photos taken 100 years ago. Indeed, her teak and peach pine hull planking is the original and testament to the quality of design, materials and workmanship of that era. With the modern systems discreetly fitted, she is luxurious to live on and a wonderful family boat. Now, more than 100 years on, and with the old photos in mind, she is haunting to behold. Javelin has enjoyed the Mediterranean for so many years, and the Mediterranean has enjoyed her. French, English, Spanish and Italian families have been captivated by her beauty and been comforted by her hospitality. To see Javelin enter a busy anchorage that is already full of modern boats is like watching a bird land or a fish swim. So natural she looks in her word, so different to the boats around her. Will they return to the anchorage in 100 years' time like she has? I doubt it very much.